Step into the world of modern luxury with our latest YouTube video showcasing exquisite bathroom design ideas. From sleek and minimalist aesthetics to innovative fixtures and spa-inspired touches, we've curated a collection that redefines contemporary bathroom spaces. Discover the elegance of floating vanities, the allure of statement mirrors, and the functionality of smart storage solutions. Dive into the transformative power of high-end finishes, soothing color palettes, and cutting-edge technology that brings comfort to a whole new level. Whether you're planning a renovation or simply seeking inspiration, our video has something for every modern design enthusiast. Subscribe for a regular dose of home design inspiration and turn your bathroom into a sanctuary of style and sophistication. Elevate your daily routine with the pinnacle of modern bathroom design. Watch now.
Bathroom design ideas, SPF retreat vibes. Transform your bathroom into a SPF-like sanctuary with soothing colors, soft textures, and calming lighting. Bold tile patterns. Experiment with bold and eye-catching tile patterns on floors or walls to add a touch of personality to the space. Open shelving. Create a sense of openness by incorporating open shelving for towels, toiletries, and decorative items. Freestanding bathtub. Introduce elegance with the freestanding bathtub becoming a focal point in the room. Smart storage solution. Maximize storage with clever solutions like built-in niches, pull-out drawers, or vertical cabinets. Monochrome elegance. Embrace a monochromatic color scheme for a timeless and sophisticated look. Statement lighting. Make a statement with unique and stylish lighting fixtures to enhance the overall ambience. Natural elements. Integrate natural elements like plants, stone, or wood for a refreshing and organic feel. Mirror illusion. Install mirrors to create the illusion of a larger space while adding a decorative element. Vintage charm. Infuse character with vintage-inspired fixtures or accessories for a timeless and eclectic design. Accent wall. Designate one wall for a bold accent color or patterned wallpaper to bring vibrancy to the room. High-tech features. Incorporate modern technology with features like smart mirrors, heated floors, or touchless faucets for added convenience. Feel free to mix and match these ideas to create a bathroom that suits your style and meets your functional needs. Subscribe for more design inspiration and share this video with fellow home enthusiasts. Happy designing!